Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Hopefully you guys are doing well today. My friend Keith and I are out here at the Longhorn cattle drive. Gonna get you some video of that. All the Longhorns are gonna come up the road here. Pretty good spot. We got our chairs set up, but yeah, they'll be coming up the road and making their way. So we'll definitely get you what we can and bring you along for this video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Hey everybody, we came over here to the backside of the rodeo arena. I think the Longhorn cattle are gonna enter through this gate maybe. So we got our chairs set up again and we're just sitting here waiting on them to get here. So we'll definitely get you some more video if we can.